बनविले होते. त्यामुळे आपल्या भारत सरकारने 28 फेब्रुवारीला विज्ञान दिन साजरा करण्याची घोषणा दिली. Science solves lots of mysteries which give is made up chemical histories. Science teaches us various chemistries like branches of banyan trees. Let's start our some activities. First, human bear. You all listening my voice or my feelings because of this most sensitive and important organ, ear. The smallest bone in our body is present in our ear. So, we will invite Magar Nyaneshwari to explore more about our brain, ear.
Hello, good morning everyone. I am a human ear. The ear is an important organ of the human body. The ear can be divided into three parts. First, outer ear. The pinna is visible portion of outer ear. It collects cells and channels them into the middle ear, where the sound is amplified. Second, middle ear. The vibration from eardrum set ossicles into motion. There are three tiny bones. The tiny straight bone attached to over that connect the middle ear to inner ear. Third, inner ear. The sound waves enter inner ear and send it to cochlear. A snail-shaped organ, the vibration of sound transfer into electricity impulses at the brain. Thank you.
Thank you, Nyaneshwari. Excretory system. We just see that our kidney perform their work. When a kidney filters the blood, some toxic substances are formed. These substances harmful to our body. We need to excrete this substance from body. So we have an excretory system. For more about our excretory system information, we will invite Argade Vaishnavi.
Good morning everyone. Good morning everyone. Myself, excretory system. The function of the excretory system to the remove wastage from the body. This wastage include water, CO2, nitrogen, salts and heat. The pair kidneys are often considered the main organs. The kidney is the elimination of excess water and wastage from the in bloodstream. The liquid waste known as urine. Thank you.
Thank you, Vaishnavi. Chromosome. Our human body is very complex, and that reason we humans are very different from other organisms. Our body structure is similarly to our parents. How it is possible? It is possible because chromosomes. We will invite Basudeb to explore more about our chromosomes.
Good morning, all of you. Today is Science Day. I am self chromosome. The structure of the nucleus of cells that carry the hereditary characteristics are called the chromosome. Genes which contain the information about hereditary characteristics are located on chromosome. There are chromosome is made up of DNA. There are four types of chromosome: metacentric, submetacentric, heterocentric and acrocentric.
Thank you, Divya. DNA. मित्रांनो, तुम्हाला प्रश्न पडत नाही का की आपण सगळे मनुष्य असूनही किती वेगवेगळे दिसतो? कोणी खूप उंच तर कुणी लहान, कुणाचा रंग काळा तर कोणाचा गोरा आणि काही लोक श्रीकृष्णासारखे सावळेही असतात. पण असे का सगळे असते? आपण सगळे एक का दिसत नाही? It happens because deoxyribonucleic acid, in short DNA. Our all genetic information is stored in DNA. DNA take a decision that how we look, all things. Let's invite Ratna Parkesnia to give us some information about our DNA.
Good morning everyone. Myself DNA. Number 1. Chromosomes are mainly made up of DNA. Number 2. These acids are discovered by Swiss biochemist and Weizsäcker in 1869 while studying in white blood cells. Number 3. It or name has nucleic acid. Number 4. The structure of DNA molecule is the same in all organisms. Number 5. In 1953, Weston and Crick produced the model of the DNA molecule. Thank you, friends.
Thank you, Sneha. Third, we all live because of our heart. Heart is always pumping and circulate the blood in whole body. When they stop pumping, we dead. So let's invite Varmane Pragati to explore more about our human
Heart is the all of you, what is heart? Heart is the most important organ of the circulatory system. Heart is a cardiac muscle. Heart is rate at 360 to 350 to 360. Her heart color are the reddish brown and heart rate are the 72 time per minute. Pumping to the oxygen and the other part of the body. It supply to the oxygen and nutrients tissues to the remove carbon dioxide and waste blood. It helps to the maintain adequate blood pressure throughout the body. Thank you everyone.
Thank you Pragati to give us some information. Brain. मित्रांनो आतापर्यंत आपण बरेचसे अंगके व त्यांचे कार्यही पाहिले. पण आता आपण एक असा अंग पाहणार आहोत जो या सर्व अंगकावर लक्ष ठेवतो. Welcome our most important and active organ brain. Brain control whole body and help in take a decision. For more information, we will invite Gauden Puja.
हलू नको.
Hello friend.
त्याला हात लावू नको. निष्ठले की पुन्हा बिघडन ते.
Hello friend, today is Science Day. I am a human brain. Brain and a spinal cord that exists made of the central nervous system. At a high level of a brain can be divided into cerebrum, brainstem and a cerebellum. Brain has an essential organ that control of many body functions. The brain is the controlling many part of a nervous system and a cranial cavity. Human brain weighs 1,300 to 1,400 grams. Control abnormality is 100 billion neurons. The human brain is an important organ of a human body. Thank you. Thank you, Pooja. Spinal cord. We just see that brain is very important organ in the body, and this important organ have some support. This support is spinal cord. We will invite Pawar Varsha to explore more about spinal cord.
Good morning all of you. Myself spinal cord. The spinal cord is the central nervous system. It is vertebral column. My function: conduction of impulses of the skin toward brain. Conduction of impulses, brain, muscles and glands. Function of coordination. It is called reflection. Thank you.
Thank you, Varsha. Carbon cycle. Carbon is very important for plants. Plants use carbon for produce food. For more information about carbon, we will invite Dhenge Madhuri.
Good morning everyone. Today is Science Day. I am a carbon circle. The circulation and recycling of carbon from the atmosphere to living organisms and their death back to the atmosphere is called as carbon cycle. The carbon compound enters the food chain. The carbon exchange among the biosphere. The carbon dioxide is absorbed in use the energy. The term carbon-based life form. Thank you.
Thank you, Madhuri. Xylem and phloem. We just see how carbon cycle perform their work, but plants need water and minerals. They absorb these minerals and water with the help of roots. They transport by xylem and phloem. Let's invite Pawar Snehal to explore more about xylem and phloem cells.
Today everyone, good morning. Myself, xylem and phloem. Xylem transport water and minerals of the plant, and phloem transport food, growing plant of the plant. Phloem fiber and dead tissues. Xylem roots application of the plant. Thank you.
Thank you, Snehal. The great scientist APJ Abdul Kalam says that if you shine like a sun, first you burn like a sun. याचा अर्थ जर तुम्हाला सूर्यासारखं तेजस्वी प्रकाशमान व्हायचं असेल तर तुम्हाला सूर्यासारखं जळावं लागेल. जळावं लागेल म्हणजे दुसऱ्यावर जेलस करणे नव्हे, तुम्हाला मेहनत करावी लागेल, तेही प्रामाणिकपणे. I hope you will enjoy this program or activities and you got some knowledge that helpful to your future. In this manner, we end our program. Have a nice day. Thank you.